H. H is for?
H. What word begins with letter H?
A.
H. What word?
H.
H is for? What is H for?
H.
S.
Okay, some more. Some more.
U.
U.
Okay.
Okay.
Some more.
What is that?
D.
D. How about this? What is this?
N.
N.
No.
Nose. Very good, very good. How about this? What is this?
E.
As in, what is E?
Elephant.
Elephant. Very good. Clap, clap ko na, be. Clap, clap.
Elephant.
How about this? What is this? S. S is for?
H is for?
Y.
Y. Y is for?
What is Y? Y
Y.
is for?
Car.
Huh?
Car.
Car?
What is Y is for?
No.
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 Uy, Liana, what is this? What is this?
F.
F. Very good.
For?
Huh? What are you doing? What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? Uy, what is this? Uy, what is this? Liana, what is that?
H.
H is for?
A.
Hat. Very good.
Heart.
Heart. Very good. How about this? What is this?
A.
X. K kasama. X. How about this? Ini.
Double.
W.
Double. Double lang eh.
Double lang.
And Z.
Yes. Sige ka na, be. So good. A, B, C.
Kami na mag-cover sa
And no longer see you. Double. U. B. Double. F. Y. and G.
My A, B, C.
No, me.
Yay! Very good. Clap, clap. Kuno be clap, clap. Very good, Manalanga. Clap, clap. Clap. What is that letter? What is that letter, Kuno? Eh?
Or asking what letter is that?
U.
You. Very good. Uy, ka very good man talanga, uy. What else? Okay, what number is this? What number is this? What is this? H kasara number gani, oh. What is that? What number is this? What number is this? Oh. What number is this? Liana? Liana? Liana. Why?
Uy, arap ay bago eh. Dito na lang sa kwando. Ato dito sa mag.
What? Nano ko naman? Bird. Bird. What?
Bird's nest. Bird's nest. Hindi na sila. Oh, bird.
Ano ba yan? Ang gabi ba? Wow.
F.
Sabaw ko yun.
Ano ba yan?
W.
W. W na.
Okay.
Okay.
Y.
What is Y for? Y and Z.
Y is for
Yellow.
yellow.
Ara.
Yes. What else?
Balik ka na, babe. A, B, C, D, C na lang ga. What are you doing? Diana? Diana?
Miss, mag-change ito ng mistake. See you.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Hi.